To use Simpson's rule to approximate the value of integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared between 7 and 1 with n value equals to 6. First, we need to get to know the concept of Simpson's rule. It is actually a method to approximate the short stretches of curves with parabola. The parabola is the blue one, the curves is the red one, and then we divide the parabola into a few equal width of strips, and then the a value, which is 1, is actually the first x value, and the b is the last x value, and then the n is the number of strips, and then we need to find the delta x, which is actually the width of the strips. To find the width of the strips, we take b minus a over the n value, which will be 7 minus 1 over 6, and the number and the answer is 1. After finding the delta x, which is 1, we need to draw a table. The first column is the I, and the second column is the xi. Last one will be the function substituted by the xi value. The I, we follow the n value, which is 6, starting from 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The xi value will start from the a value, which is 1 here. Xi value is 1, so take the first one is 1, second one we add by the delta x, which is 1, we get 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now for the function, we substitute xi value into the function. The function is actually 1 over 1 plus x squared. Substitutes 1 into the x value. You get 1 over 1 plus 1 squared. We get 1 over 2. The next one we'll do the same. We substitute the 2 into the x value. We get 1 over 5. And then we substitute 3 into the x also. We get 1 over 10. 4, we get 1 over 17. 5, we get 1 over 26. 6, we get 1 over 37. And 7, lastly, we get 1 over 50. Now, we have the table. Following the table, we substitute the value in the table into the formula of Simpson's rule, which is delta x over 3 multiplied by the y0 value, and then 4 multiplied by the y1 value, 2 multiplied by the y2 value, 3 multiplied by the, sorry, not 3, it is 4. 2 and 4 alternatively, we multiply by the y value. For this case, the value of n equals to 6, so we take until y6, y5, and lastly y6 we don't multiply by 2 or 4. Then we substitute the value of the table from the table into the equation. We get delta x, which is 1 over 3 multiplied by y0, which is 1 over 2 plus 4 multiplied by y1 value. Y1 value would be 1 over 5 plus 2 multiplied by y2 value will be 1 over 10 plus 4 multiplied by the y3 value, which is 1 over 17. Then after that we do the same thing, multiply by 2 over 6 and 6 plus 4 multiplied by 1 over 37, and lastly plus 1 over 50. We multiply it all together, plus it all together, and multiply it by the 1/3. Press your calculator, and then we get as Simpson's approximate to 0.6468. We round it to 4 decimal places. This is how we do approximation using Simpson's rule.